Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how I sew this hairband for kids. I'm using non-stretching material. So the measurement I'm going to use is 4.5 inches by 23 inches, and I have two pieces. So the one to sew elastic on is 2.5 inches by 9 inches. So I'm going to start to sew now by folding into two. I'm going to sew here. The second one I fold into two. I'm going to sew, and the small one for elastic I fold into two and I will sew. After done sewing, I will bring out the right side. This is the short one for elastic. I iron. So I'm going to pass the elastic now. Elastic is 4.5 inches. Remember, the measurement for the short one is 2.5 inches by 9 inches. So the elastic is half of the measurement, 1 inch by 4.5 inches. I hold with pin so it doesn't fall off. So I'm going to start now. Please pay attention to this part. Pay attention to this part, and if you do not understand, you can rewash it. Please pay attention to this part. You can see the way I fold it now. And please don't forget to share this video. Please share this video. Leave me a lovely comment. So wash this part very carefully. You can also sew this style for adults. What you will do is just to add to the measurements, but this one is for kids, for 0 to 1 year or 1.5 year can use this, but for adults you will have to add to the measurement. So I'm just trying to arrange to bring out the design. So for this, for the black one, this for the black one is still the same, just like the first one. The same design, the same way I cross, still the same, nothing changed. If you do not understand, you can rewash it again and again and again. This elastic for the back is the same measurement, both the black and the other color is the same. So see the way it turns out. It's very beautiful. You can see the design, the way it is very nice. So pay attention to the way I'm going to sew the elastic on the back. You can see the way I'm going to sew the elastic on the back. So you can see the way I sew the elastic on the back. I'm done sewing. It's very beautiful, trust me, it's very beautiful. Like I said, for adults you will have to add to the measurement, but this one is for 0 to 1 year or 1.5 years. So this is how it looks like, guys. Please help me share this video. Please and please help me share this video. Leave me a lovely comment in the comment section. Share this video for me. This is the final look, guys. This is how it looks like. It's pretty simple. If you rewatch again and again, and if you do not understand, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please share this video and follow my Facebook page. Thank you.